You now know what a share is and why companies sell shares. But where do people actually buy and sell these shares? The answer is the stock market. Just like vegetables are bought in a vegetable market, shares are bought and sold in the answer is the stock market. Every trade needs two people, one who wants to buy a share and another who wants to sell it. Every trade, when the buyer's price matches the seller's price, the trade happens automatically through the stock exchange. A stock exchange is an organized marketplace where buying and selling of shares takes place safely and transparently. In India, the two biggest stock exchanges are the National Stock Exchange, or NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE. If you buy one share of a company today, someone else is selling that same share. That's how every transaction works. When more people want to buy than sell, prices usually rise. When more people want to sell than buy, prices usually fall. Most of the time, you're buying shares from another investor, not directly from the company. The company sells shares mainly during its initial public offering, known as an IPO. Today, almost anyone can invest in the stock market by opening a Demat account and a trading account through a registered broker. The stock market is simply a platform where investors buy and sell ownership of companies. Prices move because of demand and supply. In the next chapter, we will answer the question, what is a Demat account? Follow Invest to Wealth India for the complete beginner series.